Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. And today's going to be a little different video than what I normally do, even though I've only made one video. Because normally I want to just do vlogs, but I want to do a tutorial today for you guys that want a front flip out there. It's like the first ground flip that I would learn. I feel like most people try to learn a back flip first, but that was not the case for me, because a front flip is like way less scary than a back flip on ground. And I wasn't really scared of a back flip on ground, I just couldn't land them. At first I was landing on my knees, then I fixed my technique, then it got a lot better. But I hate when people talk so much in the beginning of the tutorials, so let's get right into it. To start off, there's two ways to front flip. There's there's just the normal front flip where you throw over your head and grab your knees usually, which looks like this. And then there's the Russian front flip where you throw like over your head and under tuck, which looks like this. So today I'm just going to be showing that technique over my head, which is much easier in my opinion. And even though usually when you go over your head, you're supposed to grab your knees, I still under tuck and grab like under my knees, because that's just what I do for front flips. First, I would just try to start practicing your hop. Like start going like this and just start practicing it like that. So what you're supposed to do is jump off one foot and land on two. So you do a small hop, not a huge one, because if you do a huge one, it'll kill your height. If you go like this, it'll kill your height. So what you want to do is just a small hop into it and then jump off two, and then you'll get more height. And then after that, I would get a pad out or something. I have a pad, that's what I do for ground flips usually. I just put a pad out. Just find something. And also, if you're scared to do a front flip, what I would do is like do it off of something. So try to find something high and do a front flip off that and see if it helps you. And if you could do it off that, then you could probably do a front flip on ground. And if you can't do a front flip on the trampoline, you should learn that first, definitely. And I think you should be able to do like a standing front flip on the trampoline to be able to do this. So you try to learn that too. But if you don't, it's fine. I tried a front flip on ground with like no technique. I just tried it. And as long as you just tuck your head in, you'll probably make it over your head and land on your butt or something. And just on a pad, that doesn't really hurt. So just throw your hands. What a lot of people do that messes them up completely is they throw their hands down, which kills your height. You want to jump off two and throw your hands up. Still hard, but just up instead of throwing them down, which helps a lot. And then once you do that, throw it onto the pad a couple times. Do what I said, maybe watch a couple other tutorials on height. And then hopefully after you keep trying it, just keep trying it over and over again. I know it's frustrating with ground flips. It took me a while to land my front flip, but you'll get it, all right? You just have to keep trying it over and over, and eventually you'll have it more, and throw your hands up, and that will help a lot. All right, guys, now I'm going to demonstrate one. May not be the best front flip right now because this is my first flip of the day, but it's a really easy flip, trust me. Once you get it down, it's really easy, and you can show it off, do whatever. And also comment down below if you guys want more tutorials. Also, guys, if you do want more tutorials, I'll probably I'll do ground or trampoline. I probably give better tips on trampoline because I'm much better at flips on the trampoline. I probably will do a backflip tutorial to help you guys with that. And yeah, I just want to like the tutorials. I hate the tutorials that don't help at all. They're just like, you just got to do it, get over the fear. I want to actually give tips so once you do get over the fear, you can land it, not just like do it. So that's pretty much it. This is probably a very short video, but I think I'm going to end it here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.